Reproduction in human beings. Humans use a sexual mode of reproduction. Humans exclusively use sexual mode of reproduction and there is no asexual reproduction seen in case of humans. आम्ही मनशां only sexual mode of reproduction दाखयता. It needs sexual maturation which includes creation of germ cells that is egg ova in the female and sperm in the male partner and this period of sexual maturation is called puberty. Humans at a very young age reproduce करपाक शकना like age below 10 years कित्याक तर ह्या एजीर reproductive organs develop जाल्ले आसना आनी ते gamete form करपाक शकना. So no formation of gametes, no fertilization, hence no reproduction. रिप्रोड्यूस करपाक लागून एक पर्टिक्युलर एज ऑफ मॅच्युरिटी रीच करपाक जाय जाका इन जनरल टर्म आमी प्युबर्टी म्हणटा एट वीच रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह ऑर्गन्स डेव्हलप जाता मॅच्युअर जाता टू गेन द अबिलिटी टू रिप्रोड्यूस. In humans, the age from 12 to 14 is roughly the age when you reach puberty. ह्या एजीर gametes form जाता sperms in males and ova in females. From birth to puberty तुम्ही नोटीस करतले की तुमच्या बॉडीन खूपशे चेंजेस दिसून येतले फिजिकल बिहेवियरल लाईक सेकंडरी सेक्शुअल कॅरेक्टर्स दिसतले लाईक हार्श वॉइस इन केस ऑफ बॉयज सॉफ्ट वॉइस इन केस ऑफ गर्ल्स देन प्युबिक हेअर डेव्हलप जाता आणि खूपशे चेंजेस दिसतले. हे सगळे चेंजेस आर द फेजीस रिचिंग प्युबर्टी. Human beings have a well-developed male and female reproductive system. This is a picture of sperm which is a male gamete and this is the picture of egg which is the female gamete. Male reproductive system. The formation of male germ cells that is sperms takes place in the testis, male reproductive organ. Don't get confused over here. Sperm is a male gamete and testis is a male reproductive organ. Sperm हो male gamete आणि testis हो male reproductive organ. Reproductive organ म्हटल्यार organ जेतून synthesis आणि storage of gamete जाता. So हे sperms are synthesized and stored in the testis. A pair of testes are located inside scrotum situated outside the abdominal cavity. It is meant to keep relatively a lower temperature needed for the production of sperms by testes. Here, these are testes and testes paired structure that is two testes are present in male individual. They are outside the abdominal cavity असता and they are located inside the scrotum. Scrotum म्हटल्यार एक skinny bag like असता एक bag of skin like असता skinny folds which covers the testes and this scrotum helps in maintaining a very low temperature needed for the production of sperms by testes. The normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and this scrotum enables to maintain a very low temperature like 2 to 3 degrees Celsius temperature maintain करता and this is very essential for spermatogenesis that is production of sperm. Moreover, testes release a male sex hormone called testosterone whose function is to regulate the production of sperm, brings about changes in appearance seen in boys at the time of puberty. Testes एक male hormone release करता which is called as testosterone आणि टेस्टोस्टेरोनाचे फंक्शन कितें तर फर्स्ट इट रेग्युलेट्स द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्पर्म प्रोडक्शन रेग्युलेट करता आणि सेकंड थिंग इट ब्रिंग्स अबाउट चेंजेस इन अपीयरन्स सीन इन बॉयज एट द टाइम ऑफ प्युबर्टी. सेकंडरी सेक्शुअल कॅरेक्टर्स लाईक मस्क्युलाइन बॉडी दाखयता ऑफ बॉयज बियर्ड येता प्युबिक हेअर हार्श वॉइस ऑफ बॉयज हे सगळे बिकॉज ऑफ टेस्टोस्टेरोन हॉर्मोन. These sperms, along with the secretion of prostate gland and seminal vesicle, together constitute semen, which is released and made to enter into the female genital tract during copulation. Copulation is sexual intercourse. आणि खूपशे parts असा जे constitute करता male reproductive system like prostate gland and seminal vesicle. Prostate gland आणि seminal vesicles असा ते secrete करता certain secretions and sperms along with that secretion together is called as semen. Female reproductive system. The female germ cells or eggs are made in the ovaries, a pair of which is located in both sides of abdomen. Here ovaries are the female reproductive organ. जेतून ovaries or eggs which are female gametes form जाता and are stored. So hanga ovaries or eggs are stored in the ovaries. Each individual has a pair of ovary. A pair meaning two ovaries located on each side of the abdomen. Female reproductive organ जे असता, it is present inside the abdominal cavity, whereas male reproductive organ जो असा, it is present outside the abdominal cavity. When a girl child is born, the ovaries already contain thousands of immature eggs. At the puberty, some of these eggs start maturing. One egg is produced every month, one of the ovaries. In case of girl child, जेन्ना एक गर्ल चाइल्ड बॉर्न जाता तेन्ना ऑलरेडी तेज्या ओवरीन भितर thousands of immature eggs असता. Unlike boys, in boys spermatogenesis meaning formation of sperms male gamete ते फक्त at puberty maturity reach जाता तेन्नाच फॉर्म जाता. But in case of girl this is not the case. जेन्ना गर्ल चाइल्ड एम्ब्रियोनिक डेव्हलपमेंटल स्टेजीन असता इन द वूम तेन्नाच इमॅच्युअर एग्स हे फॉर्म जावपाक स्टार्ट जाता. हे एग्स अंडरगोज मेनी स्टेजीस. पयली प्रायमरी उसाइड जाता, देन सेकंडरी उसाइड जाता, अश्यो खुबश्यो स्टेजीस आसा जे की ते अंडरगो जाता आनीक देन इमॅच्युअर एग फॉर्म जावन उरता. Before puberty, these immature egg cannot go and fertilize. This immature egg जे आसा ते फक्त ओवरीनूच असता आणि ते आउटसाइड ओवरी वचपाक शकना. सो सिन्स आउटसाइड ओवरी वचना बिफोर प्युबर्टी चान्स ना ऑफ फर्टिलायझेशन, सो रिप्रोड्यूस करपाक शकना. सो ओन्ली ड्युरींग प्युबर्टी जे इमॅच्युअर एग्स जे आसा ते मागीर फर्दर डेव्हलप जाता. प्रायमरी फॉलिकल, सेकंडरी फॉलिकल, टर्शरी फॉलिकल, देन मॅच्युअर ऑर ग्रेफियन फॉलिकल अशे खुबशे स्टेजीस आसा आनी मागीर ओवम रिलीज जाता. ह्यो दोनी ज्यो ओवरी असता दोनी ओवरी रिलीज करता वन ओवम each month after reaching puberty. The egg is carried from the ovary to the womb through a fallopian tube. These two fallopian tubes unite into an elastic bag-like structure known as uterus. So female reproductive tracts हे सगळे parts ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, uterusak दुसरे common language नाव womb, then cervix, vagina. So ovaries ovum that is female gamete synthesize जाता आणि store करता. Then हो part तेजो fallopian tube. Fallopian tubeतल्यान ovum travel करता single ovum each month. हो जो fallopian tube आसा तेजो जो starting part असता हो तेका infundibulum म्हणटा जो की close to ovary असता. हे पळय फिंगर लॅग प्रोजेक्शन तेंका फिम्रिय म्हणटा आणि हे कित्याक अशें फिंगर लॅग प्रोजेक्शन कित्याक ओवरींतल्यान जो ओवम भायर सरता तो हो कलेक्ट करता आणि मागीर मुखार धाडटा. हो जो कर्वड सो पार्ट आसा यू शेप तेका एम्प्युला म्हणटा आणि फर्टिलायझेशन हांगा जाता इन द एम्प्युलरी रिजन. फर्टिलायझेशन इज फ्युजन ऑफ स्पर्म्स एंड ओवा, सो ते एम्प्युलरी रिजनान जाता. आणि थर्ड पार्ट इस्थमस विच अटॅचीस टू युटरस. हो वूम जितून baby is allowed to grow and for cervix cervical canal and this is vagina. The uterus opens into the vagina through the cervix. So this uterus opens into vagina through this cervix or cervical canal. Fertilization occurs in the fallopian tube of female genital tract. So already I have told you all fertilization jata in the ampullary region over here. In the ampullary region, the fertilized egg, also called zygote, which is diploid, gets implanted in the lining of the uterus and starts dividing. Actually, uterus is richly supplied with blood to nourish the growing embryo. If zygote is not formed, the inner wall of uterus breaks, which causes bleeding through vagina. This process is called as menstruation. It occurs at a regular interval of 28 days. So after copulation, that is sexual intercourse, semen जे आसा, semen contains sperm. So after ejaculation, semen in vagina पावतले आणि from vagina the sperms जे आसा ते motile they can travel ते through cervix travel करून into fallopian tube वयतले आणि हांगा in the ampullary region जेन्ना ovulation जावन ovum जेन्ना release जाता in the fallopian tube, ampullary region कडेन fertilize जावन zygote form जाता. This is the zygote. Zygote then under mitosis वयतलो, mitosis division and it will form two cells. So two cell stage, मागीर further परत mitosis division, four cell stage आणि मागीर eight cell stage. 8 cell stage पर्यंत in fallopian tube असता. परत जेन्ना division जाता 16 cell जेन्ना जाता more than 8 cells तेन्ना तेका morula म्हणटा आणि तेन्ना तो in womb वयता. तो womban देवता आणि then again further cell division blastocyst form जाता. This blastocyst then attaches to the endometrium of the uterus. म्हटल्यार हो जो blastocyst आसा तो एंडोमेट्रियम जे आसा लायनींग हांगा युट्रसाची तेका पेनिट्रेट करता भितर पेनिट्रेट करता आणि तो इट गेट्स अटॅच्ड टू दिस युट्रस आणि ते प्रोसेसाक और ते फिनोमेनाक इम्प्लांटेशन म्हणटा हियर इम्प्लांटेशन सो ते फिनोमेनाक इम्प्लांटेशन म्हणटा आणि तेन्ना कळटा की प्रेग्नन्सी इज कन्फर्म जेन्ना ब्लास्टोसिस्ट इम्प्लांट जाता टू दी एंडोमेट्रियम ऑफ द युट्रस तेन्ना प्रेग्नन्सी इज कन्फर्म मागीर हो एम्ब्रियो फर्दर डेव्हलपमेंटल स्टेजीसान वयता दिस इज द केस जेन्ना फर्टिलायझेशन जाता फ्युजन ऑफ गॅमेट्स जाता बट जेन्ना फ्युजन ऑफ गॅमेट्स जायना फर्टिलायझेशन जायना इंटरकोर्स जायना और कॉप्युलेशन जायना तेन्ना हो जो ओवम आसा जो इन फेलोपियन ट्यूब आसता तेका स्पर्म मेळना आणि फ्युजन जायना तेन्ना हो जो ओवम आसा it comes down into the uterus and it comes out of the female reproductive tract in form of bleeding. Ho ovum eta and it sheds off and comes out of the female reproductive tract through vagina. आणि हे जे endometrium जे build जाल्ले असता lining जी uterusaची आसा since there is no fertilization blastocyst implantation जायना आणि because of that along with the ovum हो जो endometrium असा तो break जाता rupture जाता आणि along with this तो बीन shed off जाता in form of bleeding and this process is called as menstruation occurs at a regular interval of 28 days in a girl individual. The embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of a special tissue called placenta. It provides a large area for glucose and oxygen to pass from the mother to the embryo. Similarly, the wastes from the developing embryo are removed to the mother's blood through placenta. Growing embryo जो आसा which is been implanted onto the uterus or inner lining of the uterus तेका nourishment खंयच्यान मेळटा तर एक specialized tissue आसा which is called as placenta तो एक नेटवर्क सो फॉर्म करता कनेक्टिंग द एम्ब्रियो टू दी मदर्स ब्लड मदर जे न्यूट्रिशन इनटेक करता ते एम्ब्रियोक मेळटले थ्रू दिस कॉर्ड विच इज कॉल्ड एज प्लासेंटा along with nutrition gases like oxygen been ट्रान्सफर जाता थ्रू दिस प्लासेंटा एंड ऑल्सो जो एम्ब्रियो जो आसा तो जो वेस्ट फॉर्म करता विच इज हार्मफुल फॉर दी एम्ब्रियो एंड मदर एज वेल तो बीन थ्रू दिस प्लासेंटा रिमूव जाता. The child is born as a result of rhythmic contractions of the muscles in the uterus. After 9 months, that is 36 weeks of development inside mother's womb, it is called as gestation period. After growing into mother's womb for 9 months, हे woman development झाले की there are rhythmic contractions. हे मसल्स जे आसा युट्राइन मसल्स एक रिदमिक कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन जाता विच स्पेशलाइज्ड विच इज बिकॉज ऑफ सम स्पेशल हॉर्मोन्स लाईक ऑक्सिटॉसिन अँड वेसोप्रेसिन हे हॉर्मोन्स जे आसा इट कॉजेस द मसल कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन ऑफ दिस युट्रस बिकॉज ऑफ विच after 9 months the baby will be pushed out of the female reproductive tract or from the female womb आणि हो जो पिरियड आसा फ्रॉम फर्टिलायझेशन अप टील द बर्थ ऑर पॅच्युरेशन ऑफ अ चाइल्ड हे फुल पिरियडाक जे डेव्हलपमेंट जाता ऑल द डेव्हलपमेंट फ्रॉम अ झायगोट टू न्यू बॉर्न हो जो फुल पिरियड आसा ऑफ 9 months दॅट इज 36 वीक्स हे पिरियडाक जस्टेशन पिरियड म्हणटा. द सेक्शुअल सायकल इन अ वुमन कंटिन्यूज अप टू द एज ऑफ 45 to 50 years. After that the ovary do not release egg. This stage is called menopause. It also marks the end of menstruation in the woman. So हे जे menstruation cycle जी आसा which occurs in women, it is not for the lifetime. Lifetime जायना but तेजो end जाता at one point. आणि end जावपाची age जी आसता it is 45 to 50 years. हे एजीर menstruation बंद जाता, end जाता. बिकॉज ओवरी आनीक एग्स रिलीज करिना एग्स जे आशिल्ले ते सगळे काबार जाता आनीक एग्स रिलीज करीना आनीक हे स्टेजीक म्हणटा मेनोपॉज पॉज स्टॉप सो इट इज मेनोपॉज.